Think about this. Your home, sold on your terms, without the need to fork over a hefty agent's commission. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Welcome to the reality of selling your home like a pro. Imagine holding the reins, from listing to closing, making decisions that suit your timeline and budget. It's not as tricky as it seems, with the right knowledge, tools, and a dash of confidence. First, price your home right. Research local listings, understand the market pulse. Next, stage your home to impress. A clean, decluttered space can work wonders. Then, market your home. Use high-quality photos, detailed descriptions, and don't forget about the power of social media. Negotiate like a pro, understanding that every offer is just a starting point for discussion. Lastly, handle the paperwork accurately and promptly. Yes, it might seem daunting, but remember, you're saving a significant amount of money by doing it yourself. So, ditch the agent, keep the cash, and sell your home like a pro. The power is in your hands.